All right, so I'm going to show you how to use this template if you want to use it for a thumbnail. It's not perfect, but it's much better and allows kids to see what hour they're in. So everything is set size-wise and it fits and it works. I'm just going to show you how to change this to make it your own. So first thing, obviously make a copy of this if you've not already, so that you have a copy that you can edit and do what you want with it. You need a picture for the background. So if you don't have one already saved on your computer that you want to use, you can go look for one. So I went to Google and did a search for biology because I'm going to make an AP Bio one in this little demo. And I click on images, and let's say that this is the picture that I really want. So I click on that picture and I save the image to my computer. So I'm just going to save it to my default thing. There we go. Okay, so I have the picture saved. Now, when I get in here, there are two different things going on. There's the text box here that you can see is highlighted, and then the picture. And you can see the blue is around the picture. You want the blue highlighting the picture here. You're gonna, once you have that clicked, you're gonna right click, go to replace image, and upload from computer. So now I can go to where I saved it, and it was this one that says DNA cover. And it changes the picture to exactly what I want behind it. Then I can click in here into the text box, highlight it, and I can change this to AP Biology 3rd hour. If I want to change the size of this, I can, but 60 seems to be a pretty good font for what I want to do. And then if I want to change the color of the font, up here is my text color, so I could highlight the whole thing and I could make the text red if I want to. So I can do that. Then, and this is the easiest way to do it, is do File, Download, JPEG. Okay, so File, Download, JPEG. It's going to download down here. You can then open it up and save it to somewhere if you would like to. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to use that download and just use it from right there. So I'm going to click into Schoology. You can see I already did this, but I'm just going to redo it. I'm going to click on AP Biology, Edit Picture. I'm going to have to remove my picture. This is what yours is going to look like to begin with. So you're just going to hit Edit Picture, Attach File. Because I just did it for my downloads, I'm just going to hit downloads, and it was the last one here. You can see I've done this a couple times now to get it perfect. So I do that, and then I can just exit out of this window once I've attached it. Now, you can see it's not the greatest thing here, but when you go to the courses, now it's AP Biology 3rd hour. It's not the clearest font. I'm definitely not going to use this red color. I'm going to probably turn it back to white or yellow or something like that. That is a little bit easier to see on there. But that's it. You can just go through here, and if you don't like it, just come back. We can get rid of that, and I can change my font color, and I want to go back to white, let's say. And again, I can then just download it as a JPEG, go back here, get rid of this one, and put, attach in my latest one and close out. Oh, hang on. So it's attached. Then if I go to courses, there it is. Now it's there with the white font. And it's centered. That's what it is in the template. So it's centered so that it will show up. And you can put whatever picture. You can change the font. Just put it first, second, third, whatever the case may be. But there you go. That's how you can do it. If you have any other questions, just stop into the Zoom or just ask.